is Sosoboy Fosho. We are here tonight at LIV Sandton.
First time Galuvango, Mama Mana Tetango.
It's my EP launch, Pink Roses launch. It's dope. I have no words.
It's like I'm going crazy on my side. Don't look by you, take your call. Don't look papa talk. Don't look papa talk. For the banana talk.
We in the building. My name is MT the Hustler. Still standing, still going strong. 10 years later. Hello. Mr. Hero. Don't fuck around, I got my pistol on me.
Look by you, take your call. First time Galuvango, Mama Mana Tetango. Bang my cat busy get gamma. The vanilla is all over my baby jama. You were so beautiful, out of control. Trust me, this is low. I know when I don't me. A lot of me. Push it back. Cool and quack, could it chop me? Timberland, in a lamp, fuck a mom come back, boy. Send her on my feet, get up on a chance. I'm going to look at us instead of a gun of chocolate bar. Get drunk, get fat, full cat. I sip and I need to let up.
You go by Sosoboy Fosho. Asanda Empires in the building.
I love to say shout out to Asanda Empires, man. That's me. Asanda Empires. Shout out to everybody that came through tonight. Shout out to Lady Zama. Shout out to MT.
It's your boy, MT the Hustler. Shout out to Sosoboy, man. I'm out here at this single launch at LIV in Sandton. I had a blast. I just performed. Shout out to Sosoboy. Thank you for inviting me. Big Hustle. We out.
Shout out to Somizi. Shout out to Inkabiza Security. Shout out to every DJ that has played tonight. Shout out to 2K Vaccine for coming through for us. And I appreciate you guys. I love you so much. Just go stream my EP, man. Mine is out. Video is out. My EP is out on YouTube. Kuzo zonke nje man in the Western Sumtulo. Representing the Eastern Cape. I love you so much, man. Thank you.